Ready?
All right.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Last week, me and Jay made a challenge and G chose the winner.
Hold on, we got ourselves a winner. What's up, Merc man? This is G. How are you, man?
What's up, man?
Good, bro. Just want to let you know, man, you won the cup.
Oh, no way.
Yeah, hell yeah, man. It's a badass cup, dude.
Sometimes I'm with Jay at Gexhaust Oakland. Today, I'm with G over here in Davie. Oh, damn. What are you getting done today?
More horsepower, less noise, no drone.
What do you think?
Oh, I love it, man. I don't want the noise, I want more power.
Davie location has a lot of characters. You got Marcelo. The guy speaks Spanish, pays attention to detail, and likes his strawberry juice.
Chiquita.
Yeah,
Oh,
what is it?
Spark.
How's it looking?
Good, good. Trying to get the right measurement.
What is that?
This is strawberry juice.
And then you got Mike. Mike never smiles. This guy's like the Mona Lisa. One time I saw Mike smiling and a COVID vaccine fell out of thin air. And then you got Adrian. You know, Adrian is G's day one. He's been with them forever. He's an amazing welder. He's the type of guy that you can just sit there and listen to his stories all day while throwing back some brewskis.
Coming from the side and throw me over the bike. You ever got punched in the stomach? He pulled the leg. So when he pulled the leg.
And then you got G. G's the president. He runs the entire operation off of his phone. He likes to eat healthy, and if his guys aren't performing, he presses on them pretty hard.
European sound, you know, which I like better than the fake V8 sound, you know? We don't have a set of rules, man.
Stand there, wait for Adrian. You help this motherfucker wrap your car. What are you doing over there?
G loves giving away things to his customers. I got something for you. It's on bags?
No back.
Bruh. Wait, how do you do it? You said
We incline the lift. Get some jack stands up front, lift on a nice little incline.
that's that 160 special,
60
baby.
Muffy D, all right?
See this system right here? It'll literally make your car sound like a microwave to this. And the cool thing is you can get it for peanuts a month, even if you live here. What you gotta do is slide into G's DMs, no homo, and ask him exactly how you can get this for only peanuts a month. How much horsepower you got?
600.
Don't mind if I do.
Yeah, man.
Cool characters, a bunch of happy customers, and sick cars. Pretty good day.
Gentlemen, stop.
Drama at Gexhaust.